United States has one of the largest railway networks in the world. 3 types of rail systems operate on the national rail network: intercity passenger, commuter, and freight. Together, these trains increase our nation's productivity and competitiveness. The Department of Homeland Security's Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency developed Cellar to support its mission in leading the national effort to understand, manage, and reduce risk to our cyber and physical infrastructure. Cellar stands for Control Environment Laboratory Resource and is comprised of multiple critical infrastructure platforms, such as a rail platform. They enable government, academia, and industry partners to experience the possible adverse effects of cyber-physical attacks. The rail platform is a scaled-down model of a Class 1 freight railway region. Typical rail operation involves centralized traffic control, or CTC. Additionally, rail systems are typically made up of 4 segments: the onboard locomotive segment, the dispatch back office segment, the wayside segment, and the communications segment. The locomotive segment is comprised of all the onboard equipment that is used to collect and transmit remote, data-driven, in-time operational intelligence. The rail platform includes a simulated display that an operator on a locomotive would see. This display indicates warning and status, such as speed. To facilitate the movement of trains over an assigned territory, there are regional dispatchers in place. The back office is the general term for the location of hardware, software, and HMI displays to enable rail dispatchers to operate. The rail platform includes a simulation of the back office that acts as the view for a dispatcher at a regional office. The wayside segment is the field locations where controllers and sensors are installed to monitor track and passing locomotive status and manage the state and actuation of switches, signals, other notifications, and grade crossing guards. The rail platform includes an industry-used wayside configured to communicate status messages to the locomotive and back office. The communication infrastructure provides connectivity between the other 3 segments: locomotives, back office, and wayside. As locomotives are mobile, they are highly dependent on wireless communications. The rail platform includes communications equipment to support Ethernet, radio, and serial communications scenarios. The Rail Safety Improvement Act of 2008 saw the addition of Positive Train Control, or PTC, to rail operations. PTC is a processor-based, communication-based train control system designed to prevent train accidents. PTC also provides efficient conveyance of movement authorities. As an example of PTC, a train with PTC enabled will come to a stop at a red signal regardless of the manual brake application from an onboard operator. The rail platform locomotive panel displays PTC alarms and allows a user to override PTC to cut out the safety system PTC provides. The systems and subsystems described for the rail platform are comprised of 2 major sections: the N-scale rail model, representing the physical movement of the trains, and the upright cart housing the computer and communications equipment. The entire platform is mobile and contains integrated cameras for remote viewing. The Cellar rail platform is also equipped with red team, blue team tools. Sniffing, or capturing Ethernet and serial communications, is possible from an analytics virtual machine. Attack coordination is possible via another specialized virtual machine. The rail platform has been tested against several planned failure scenarios. With the safety mechanisms of PTC disabled, it is possible for collisions and derailments to happen. The Department of Energy's Pacific Northwest National Laboratory is supporting the construction and operations of Cellar platforms. Our mission is to arm our nation's critical infrastructure with the tools necessary to protect and provide the utilities that drive our everyday lives.
Connect with us to learn how you could use the Cellar platforms.